On top inside Edo today. For Edo 2020 budget, space dey for new minimum wage. Na Obaseki na yarn this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say him administration ready gidigba to pay 30,000 naira minimum wage because dem write am put for Edo State budget for year 2020. Obaseki talk this one when he received the executives of Chartered Institute of Personnel Management of Nigeria (CIPM) and their presido Wale Adediran for the courtesy visit wey dem carry come government house for Benin City. Obaseki talk say wetin big pass for any institution na people wey dey there, and na this one I make wey im dey put body for Edo State workers unto capacity building as dem dey give dem correct facility wey go help dem deliver better service give Edo people. He talk say him administration don dey build world-class public service training academy, and the academy get all the information communication technology facilities for inside.
We are building a world-class public service academy, which can take about 1,000 people at any point in time. We have training halls, so theaters, one for 250 people at a time. We have two for 130 people at a time. We have labs for 60 people, with ICT, with bandwidth, with enough technology in there. The whole idea is that, it's now mandatory that every cadre, every category must be trained frequently. And therefore, we must now commit resources to training and retraining them and, bringing them to contemporary times so that they also, you can get the best out of them. The experience with our teachers under the Edobes program clearly was an eye-opener. These are people that had written off, teachers, they know who they can read, they can write. But the moment we looked deeper and then, with the advantage of technology, better processes, procedures, the technology that standardized processes, and we trained them. Today, they are stars.
President of Chartered Institute for Personnel Management of Nigeria (CIPM), Mr. Wale Adediran, talk say their organization gets the backing of law to take do check on top human resource management for Naija. And he talk say governor don gbab the award because of the ogbonge deve wey dey shele for Edo State, especially on top human capacity development. Adediran come thank Governor Godwin Obaseki wey he take dey do better work on top deve matter for all the governors for the country, and say governor not only dey try for workers wey still dey work for am, but he still dey try even for the ones wey don retire sef. The president for CIPM talk say the institute go like do collabo with Obaseki administration, make dem for fit organize ogbonge workshop when he call strategic capacity workshop for officers wey go dey direct how Edo State matter dey waka dey go. He talk say this workshop so go help the workers make dem for sabi dey do the good work wey dem don already dey do, make it for dey go well.
We want to keep it very simple. Two messages here. One is to say a very big thank you for being an icon that represents commitment to human capital development among our governors in the country. The second message we would like to deliver to you, Mr. Governor, is the professionalization of Edo State civil service will help to entrench the achievements you've recorded so far in human capital development in Edo State, and also ensure that your achievement becomes a legacy that will last far beyond this generation. You've done so much, and our dream, when you shared some of the giant strides that you've taken in Edo State with us, I told you that I will definitely come and meet Mr. Governor to say thank you for what you are doing. Chartered Institute for Personnel Management of Nigeria is empowered by law to regulate the practice of human resource management, which is focused on delivering value through people. And we're talking of the people of Nigeria. We're talking of the civil servants. We're talking of those in the private sector. We have come with two packages. One, like we shared with the head of service when we had a chance meeting last Saturday, we would like to have the leadership of the civil and public service in Edo go through a strategic capacity building workshop that is specifically designed for permanent secretaries, head of service, and above, those who direct the affairs of our country.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Chartered Institute of Personnel Management Nigeria don present ogbonge award give Governor Godwin Obaseki on top of the ogbonge reform wey dey shele for Edo State. Make una sabi say this ogbonge update wey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na carry am come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.